Let's learn clothes vocabulary. Shoe, shoe. Trousers, trousers. Pajamas, pajamas.
Time for bed, John,
says Daddy.
Okay, Daddy. Good night,
says John. John goes upstairs. He takes one shoe off. But he can't get the other shoe off.
Never mind.
He says,
Where are my pajamas?
John can't find his pajamas.
Never mind,
he says, and he gets into bed. Daddy comes upstairs. He goes into John's room. John is sleeping. John is wearing his trousers and he's got one shoe on.
Good night, John,
says Daddy.
Sweet dreams.